To import any image in Rhino, you can use Surface Creation toolbar, which is in the Standard tab and in the main bar here. In that you will find a tool called Add a Picture Plane. You can use that, or in the command line you can just type picture and select it. It will take you to your local drive where you have saved your images. You can download or you can import from there. Or if I click Add a Picture Plane, it will do the same. So from here I will just select my top view and open it to import. Now you will see I can import it in any of the viewports, but it is recommended that you import the images as per their orientation. For example, I have imported the top view, which is the plan view. So I will import it in the top view. So let me just double click and go inside the top view. You can click anywhere and start importing your image. I will start from origin. So I will type 0 and left click, and I will just randomly drag because anyways I have the dimensions. So later on I can scale it. So I will tell you how to scale also. Now as the image is imported, what I will do, I will put this image in the origin, actually the center of this lamp at the origin, this little plus sign. So for that I will use move command, MOV or MV also you can type in the command line. Select move from there. I will give the point. This will be my moving point. And I will just type a 0 and spacebar. Automatically it will move to the origin. So this is set. Now it's time to scale the image. So I will scale based on the reference diameter, which is 30.35 centimeter, as my units are in centimeter. So first I will create a circle with diameter of this much distance. So again, as given the origin of this lamp, I will start my circle from the same center. So to make a circle, you go to circle tool, select a circle with the center where you can give diameter and radius. It will ask to give the center of the circle. I will just type 0 because everything is starting from origin. Then spacebar, and then I will type the distance, which is 30.35, and hit enter. You will see the image is not scaled as per the dimension, little bit is remaining. So let's fit this diameter with this exact dimension which we just created. Now how to scale in Rhino 3D, or how to scale any image in Rhino 3D as per the reference dimensions. For that, because it is a 2D image, it is not a 3D image, it is a 2D plan. So we will use Scale2D. Just type SC, it will bring all the scale commands. From that you select Scale2D. After you selected the Scale2D command, it will ask you to give the base point. So as we know, the base point is origin. So I will just type 0 and spacebar. Now if you go up, it will ask the scale factor or the first reference point. So as I said, I am using a reference diameter or some reference dimensions to scale my image. So I will give the reference point instead of the scaling factor or the scale factor. The scale factor here means you are telling the command that you want to scale your image 2 times, 3 times or 1.5 times. That's what scaling factor is. Here we are using reference scaling. So my first reference point will be this one because I am enlarging the image. So I'll give this as a first reference point, edge of this lampshade. And then it will ask me to give the second reference point. And now you can see I am free to resize my image to any dimension. As I have already given the dimension here, I will just move my image till I reach the actual dimension of the circle, the diameter of the circle, and I will just click there. And now my image is accurately scaled, precisely scaled with the actual dimension. This is how we scale in Rhino 3D, and this is how we import images in Rhino 3D. Same way you can do it. You can try yourself import any image in the front view and try to scale them as per the dimension.